All right. This is my week 6 card game assignment. Just mimicking the game War through console. So you'll see here I have my class card player deck, making sure I have those constructors in there. Excuse me. Establishing get full name and establishing has cards for the player and card so that I can use them later in the game. Establishing a shuffle and a deal to make sure that, again, later in the game, we don't have the same values going on every single time, and the game actually plays because we want to make sure that we have that deal. This function is the play game function that initializes the functions deal and shuffle and a mimic around a war. We're going to have our if calculate points, because we'll have our calculate points. This function calculate points to make sure that when a player places a card, they'll compare the card values and return 1. So our 1 being console card 1 console log will return this. But if card value 2 is bigger than card 1, we'll return card value 2. Then we have if player 1 points at the end of the game, we'll make sure that if we have more points than player 1, then this player is going to win while this player is not going to win. And that will log, it's a tie at the end of the game. Just nothing fancy, just saying it's a tie. But if we'll go into HTML, show on default browser, open up on default browser, pull over here, go into inspect, go to our console. So you'll see every round is random. So player 1 plays 2 of diamonds, player 7, 7 of spades, player 1, 9 of hearts, player 2, king of hearts. It just shows every single round that they play, and at the end of the game, it shows who won. So player 2 wins with 9 points. It's a tie. Player 1 wins with 8 points. Oh, I did not mean to do that. All right. And that's all for me. I hope you enjoyed me just showing you some basic JavaScript code on a card game or war. But yeah, thank you. Wait, stop.